It now appears that this ceasefire has been restarted merely to paper. Iran has launched a missile attack on Kuwait. According to the news surfacing for the Kuwait civilian infrastructure has been suffered heavy damage in this attack. It is being reported that more than 16 people are critically injured, but the most dangerous part of them, one person has lost their life in this attack. According to the report, this person was an Indian citizen. Why did Iran suddenly take this step? Let's understand the chronology of this attack. Just before this strike, the United States had attacked Iran's Case Island. To retaliate against this, Iran's most powerful military forces, the IRGC, Islamic Revolutionary Guards Corps, carried out this counter attack. The IRGC has clearly stated this. The US had previously attacked their oil tankers and the only recharged in the self-defenses. Looking at this circumstance, it seems that is the international ceasefire talks are confident only the paper and closed room discussion. Let US remind you that a major ceasefire was according in the month of April. But the ground reality is these attacks are continuously reasonably. Whenever the US wants if attack Iran and where Iran retaliate it's labeled as a violation of the ceasefire. The story doesn't not just end here. On the other side, Israel is continuously carrying out of the fires, bombings on Lebanon. The Israeli army has prayed deep into the Lebanon to conduct military operation. Looking at their condition, top defenses experts across world are also without as a want kinds of ceasefire. This is where gunpowder is reasoning down from the every discussion. Now a biggest question arises. Why is the Iranians continuously being their war forward without the backing down? The biggest reason for this is defenses. Iran's know very well that the continuously does not purpose the nuclear bomb. This is extremely why whenever the US and Israel feel like it's the nuclear air strike on these Iranian targets. Iran's biggest fear is that if yield to US proposal and handed over its stock of the enriched uranium, its military power will be completely wiped out. At this month, Iran's entire command is the discretionary in the handed of the IRGC, and they do not want to shout down in that nuclear power any cost. On the other hand, Israel facing a biggest threat from the very proposed. Israel knows that if Iran successfully biggest and nuclear bombs, if one prove to be the most dangerous there to the Israel, very externus. This is the reason why Israel is not on mood to full ability to this ceasefire. Obviously, if both Israel and Iran reflects to honors this ceasefire, this war is not going to stop merely thoughts US statements. If this war continues to escalate like this could prove to escalatory catastrophic cease for the entire world in the coming days. What your opinions in this entire matter? Do you share your thought in the comment section? Thanks you.